Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. So today I'm going to be doing a design for you on an 18 by 24 chalkboard. Now I did get a little creative with this design because I saw something at a local home goods store and I thought I can absolutely create that using our products. Now I'm using 3 different transfers for this. I'm using the Bless Our Nest, which is which these branches are from. I'm going to be using the Live Life in Full Bloom, and then I'm going to be using a part of the bloom and blossom transfer. So one thing really nice about all of our transfers is they are reusable, and you're going to see me doing that here. This is part of the bloom and blossom. I'm doing the leaves in like a custard color, and by the way, the branches are in an elephant gray. And what you do is in between uses, like I usually get 2 or 3 uses out of a transfer while the chalk paste is still on it, and then I clean it up with water and Clorox wipes. I'll let it dry for a few seconds and then I'll continue using it. Now you always need to make sure when you're doing layering like this project that the bottom layer is dry, and you can do that by using a hair dryer, which is all I use, or if you have a crafting heating element you can use that as well. And this design, like I said, it turns out really, really cute. Now, our Chalkology chalk paste is all water soluble and semi-permanent. And what that means is if you do not seal your project with a Krylon sealer, you can change this out at any point in time. And I'm going to show you here. I actually put these words on right here and I didn't like the color, so I'm just going to remove it and redo it again, which is super awesome. And that's why I love Chalk Couture products. So if you'd love to learn more, you can purchase products straight through me at chalkinwithjen.com. You can host a make and take or sip and chalk if you're local to the area here in New Jersey, or if you want to become a designer as a hobbyist where you do this for fun, or you want to turn it into a business. We are looking for designers all across the United States for this ground floor opportunity. So just reach out to me. Again, my website is chalkinwithjen.com. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel for all my fun crafty videos, and I look forward to sharing more beautiful designs using Chalk Couture products with you. I hope you love the end result and have a great day.